Hi guys, got a minute? I'm Maria. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making one of my absolute favorite Christmas cookies, Gingerbread Crinkle Cookies. They're light and fluffy on the inside, sweet and crunchy on the outside, and full of that warm, spicy gingerbread flavor we all love this time of year. These cookies are always a crowd favorite and so simple to make. So let's get baking. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. A quarter cup of butter that's been softened. I've left mine out at room temperature. That's 1.5 sticks. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 egg. Quarter cup of molasses. 2.5 cups of flour. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and some icing sugar, that's powdered sugar. We're going to cream the butter and the sugar together. So that's 1 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 sticks of non-salted butter that's been sitting out at room temperature. We're going to cream that until it's completely combined. We're going to add 1 egg, that's also at room temperature, and the quarter cup of molasses. Now we're going to mix it until the dough is fluffy. Now we're going to add in the baking soda. And we're going to add in our spices. Now that's 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix it well. I'm adding 2.5 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. We're going to mix it in about 1/3 at a time. Mix the rest by hand, just to make sure the flour is nicely folded in. Now we're going to cover it up, and we're going to place it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Hello, little squirrel. Remove the dough from the fridge. Now you want to use a full tablespoon to roll the cookie dough into balls. And here's the second baking sheet. My oven is preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 9 to 12 minutes. Of course, depending on your oven, keep an eye on them. are, just out of the oven. I baked mine for 9 minutes on convection bake feature. I'm gonna let them sit on the baking sheets for a few minutes. The cookies are soft, they will firm up. Now we're gonna move them to the cooling racks to finish cooling and setting. This is what I'd call a medium cookie. It's not too large and it's not too small. And here they are cooling. And just look at that soft center, pure holiday perfection. That's the gooey gingerbread goodness I was telling you about. I hope you give these cookies a try. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. These gingerbread crinkle cookies should be stored in an airtight container. They will stay fresh for 1 week if they're completely cool before you pack them. Or you could freeze them for up to 3 months, and I just put them in between either parchment paper or wax paper. And you take them out whenever you need them. Just let them sit out for about 15-20 minutes, and they are delicious. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments what you think. Your feedback and tips always inspire me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.